Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Well, I think that's all. Oh, I might as well do that before I forget as well. Just because this is with that spanner that can slide over the wires. Size 17, and I think you sort of got to twist it a few turns this way before you put it in. So I've got to untwist. Once it's in. And same thing, I can't put a torque wrench on that, so okay, so I think that's all for tonight, and if I'm not mistaken, I think that's everything except the battery, but I'll do a complete check, go through the book, my checklist, make sure I've got no boxes of parts left on the table, and then I'll go from there. So tomorrow is the chain link, and hopefully that's all. Put fuel in, the battery, and see how it goes. Okay,